Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to print multiple copies in one page. Open your Word document where you will see the text. Now from the File menu, click on Print. Here at the bottom, display the options and select one of the alternatives. In this case, we decided on 4 pages per sheet. After that, in the Pages field, you will enter the line 1, 1, 1, 1. This is based on the number of pages per sheet that you selected. You can print your Word document. When you open it, you will see that several copies have been printed on a single page. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.